Even though laminate wall panels are the #1 thing that our company sells, they're not always a fit in every situation. So I'm going to give you 10 examples where they are a good fit, and I'm going to give you 5 examples actually where they're not a good fit. Example #1 of where you should use them is this is a laminate wall panel. This is a faux grout joint. Even though this thing is indented, it is laminate that's underneath there. And so there's nothing porous about this, so there's no water that's going to penetrate in here. That's a big reason to use laminate panels. Example #2 of a good place to use laminate wall panels and when you have a custom size. So this entire wall is actually laminate wall panels. And so basically we're figuring out how many 2-foot sections, and these are actually sections that are joined together, we need to make this work. So in any custom size, it doesn't matter if this wall was 100 feet long, I could just be using panel upon panel upon panel. So any custom size is possible. Example #3 of where you want to use laminate wall panels is when you want something grout-free, but you don't want to sacrifice style. And this one here, we've got really what looks like almost like a piece of slate with a large grout joint. But when you look at it, this is actually a laminate here. It's not actually a grout joint. Example #4 of where laminate wall panels are fit is when you need this stuff right now. Basically, we have a warehouse full of wall panels and showers in these pallets right here, available for immediate shipment. Example #5 of why laminate wall panels are a good fit is if you're worried about what's called FOSU, the fear of screwing up, which if you put in a tile shower and you've ever had it leak, which I have had happen to me years ago, you don't want that to happen again. With laminate wall panels, I have had 0 product failures, no leaking panels, no delaminated panels. We've carried this product since 2018, and today we ship out about 150 showers a month. So you know you're getting something quality that's built to last. Reason #6 that laminate wall panels are a great option is you get a lifetime warranty. So when you look at this, although most people would look at this and think it's tile, it's not tile. And these joints, faux joints, there's not going to really be any leaking through these because it's a laminate. So they're built to last. Example #7 of why laminate wall panels are a good fit is when you want a quick installation. When you're looking at this shower back here, these panels are actually 2 foot wide by actually 8 foot tall. And the way they work is they click and lock together. So you're going to get really what's a seamless installation, but it's much quicker, obviously, than having to do tile and cutting the tile and grouting that. Example 8 of why laminate wall panels are a smart way to go is if you need your project to be cost effective. If you look at something like this, and if this was actually a tile job with all of these intricate tiles and all of this cutting, you'd have a lot of time involved. But with a laminate wall panel system, this whole piece is one section, this is a section, and this is a section. So these are just going to interlock together for a much more time-effective and cost-effective installation than if this wall or this entire shower had been tile. Example #9 as to why laminate wall panels are a good fit is really in patterns and styles that fit kind of today's looking projects. For instance, this 45-degree herringbone, that's become really hot, and it's very time consuming if you try to do this in tile, but with a wall panel system, you can time effectively install it. Or this black hexagon pattern, this has really become much more popular. Even got things like decorative accent trims, or in the marble patterns, things like silver gray marble, Bianco marble, white marble, and soon to come black marble, that's coming as well. Or even things with a lot of texture. This one here is an antique gray, kind of for a modern farmhouse type of look. So no matter whether you're looking for something contemporary or something more traditional, you can find wall panels that are going to fit your decor. Example 10, as far as why you want laminate wall panels, really has to do with leaking. When you look at if this was a tile installation, all of these joints would be places where you can get leaks. So this bigger joint would be the same. But in this case here, even though it's indented, you can feel that this is all laminate. So you're not going to have a case really where anything is going to penetrate through here and, God forbid, create a leak in the floor below. Example one where laminate wall panels are not a fit is really where you want the cheapest job possible. So if you did, probably the best thing to do is get in your car, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, go to Menards, whatever the stores are, get fiberglass reinforced plastic, also known as FRP, or get a fiberglass system or even an acrylic system. They're thin, but they're cheap. So if you need cheap, the laminate wall panels are not going to be your cheapest option. Example number two, where laminate wall panels may not be a fit, is if you're a matchy-matchy person. So what are matchy-matchy people? They're the people that want everything to be the exact same color. To me, it's a little bit boring, but hey, there are people who like it that way. So when you've got laminate wall panels, let's say on these walls, you'll see that this base, while it definitely goes with these, it is not a direct match. Example number three of where laminate wall panels are not a good fit is in a steam room application. The wall panels are not approved by Fibo, the manufacturer, for use in steam rooms. Example number four of where laminate wall panels may not be a good fit, depending on what you like, is if some people just don't like the click lock system. So for instance, with this cultured stone, this is all one panel. And while that panel may be heavy, hard to get up the stairs and around the corner and into a small bathroom, it is still all one piece. Example number five of where laminate wall panels would not be a good fit is where you really just love the idea of a horizontal accent trim piece. With the laminate wall panel system, it's all a vertical interlocking system. So while you can get a vertical accent trim, you cannot get a horizontal accent trim. If you want help deciding if laminate wall panels are a good fit for you or are not a good fit for you, feel free to give our team a call. We not only offer laminate wall panels, but we have other types as well. The number to reach us is 877-668-5888, or to get more content about laminate wall panels, go to innovatewallpanels.com.